Today's video, I'm going to show you how to install these things. They're special. I don't know. They got directions on them, but they're more like pictures, and this is where you put it. Your biggest challenge is going to be lining it up. And I'll show you what I'm talking about during the course of this video, which shouldn't take very long. The tools you'll need will be some rubbing alcohol to make the plastic easier to adhere with the adhesive that came with the lights. I used a pick because I don't have sharp nails, long fingernails. And I also use masking tape and paper towel. You'll see why in a little bit, mainly for mock-up, so I can get it right first time. And a stool, I guess, for a tool to sit on when you're doing this, because you're working on the vehicle. Fortunately, this is a Kia Sportage, so it sits a little higher, but a car would be a little, I think a stool would be more of a necessity. Okay, what comes in the box? Well, obviously there's two of these. These are the actual light projectors. And it looks like that. Oh, I didn't put batteries in this one. I cut that. Okay. You saw in the last clip, the battery was dead. So I thought. And I got to looking. This is corroded to all hell. Yeah, cheap battery. Okay, I had to clean that connection up some more. That's all it was. I used some contact cleaner. Now, this is how it's supposed to look. Hey. We're just going to do it when it comes out the door. Now, onward to the video. And in case you're interested what type of contact cleaner I used, it's CRC. This, I sprayed it on the cruddy connectors and all that, and I took a pick and just went to town over the garbage can here, and it came clean. Now, I did not mention this, but if you're lazy and impatient like me, you know, hook up your air compressor. When you do the rubbing alcohol on plastics, it'll dry it up quicker. Might as well throw it out there too. The instructions say to put on plastic, which I'm gonna do. I just pick a spot, like right in here somewhere. And that's what I'll clean with the alcohol. Then I'll stick the light itself, because the light itself sticks to this. So, then the magnet piece goes over here. And the magnet piece will, I don't know if I could focus where that notch is. That's where it breaks the connection and shuts the light off. So you just turn it on one time, and when that magnet hits that slotted piece right there, it stays off until the connection is severed. It's kind of like an alarm system, actually. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. When it comes to which one to put where, it doesn't specify in the instructions. So I put the red on the plastic and I put the other yellow on the door. I figure the red is stronger than the yellow. So in case you're wondering too, they did think about the batteries. So where the pad goes on is opposite side. No worries. Okay, I got that on the car. Now what you want to do, I used my finger as a guide to make it flush. So we're going to shut the doors to make sure it's not rubbing, because we can still move it if we have to. I don't hear anything. Okay, that solves that problem. Now, why we have the masking tape, you're asking? Well, because we're going to do mock-up. I'm only going to do this one time. So I'm just going to get on the other side. That is the magnet part. I think I got it reversed, but we'll see. Use the tape to hold the magnet down so it won't move. Plus, it'll give me an idea where to put the adhesive on this thing. Turn your light on. Ow. Hit yourself in the leg with the door. And that's way off. Yeah. Somewhere in there maybe. How to make sure it worked. Look down there. Let's see a light. Hold on a sec. There. I see a light. This will tell you how far. Oh yeah, we're way too far over. See the blue tape? It's kind of hard to. No light. Yeah, we're a little far over. Okay, so we'll adjust it. And that's pretty much all you gotta do. Okay, right about there is where you want your tape. Where are you? Down here. Okay, I did get it set up right. Open the door, breaks contact, close the door, lights off. That's it. Okay, I had to move it one time after I had the adhesive stuff on. But, open door. See, it's glued, it's tacked on there. Oh, just glued on there, whatever, taped. Close door. You gotta close it all the way and it shuts off. That's all the way closed, so. There we go, that's that. Passenger side. The inside does not stay on.